Okay, figured I'd go over this yard sale find from last weekend. I was at work and my pops had let me know since there's garage sales every year in our neighborhood. He let me know these people had some tools and four wheelers, so it seemed like a good combo. I came, I saw $2 each. I grabbed a couple things and I'm like, hey. So I was like, hey, how much for the box? He's like, I don't know, throw an offer. I say $20. He's like, how about 40? I was like, I didn't count the tools, but I figured there's probably more than 40 in here. So I was just like, yeah, whatever. I went and got the cash and called it a day. So I'm now going through it. So I figured I'd put it on YouTube for any of the old school tool fans. I didn't see this. I have a little pile here of Chinese screwdrivers I found so far. Just some no-name stuff. Got a Stanley USA carpet cutter, pretty nice. Old school Walbro, non-retractable, no name one. I'm dropping everything. Butterfinger, auto feeder. Looks like it probably has blade storage or something. That's cool. Some more China. One USA cutter, that's cool. What the fuck is this? Nice. Flavor injector, baby. Yeah, we'll just go start going through this box. Make a pile. Got some Archer wire strippers. Yeah, I saw the four-wheelers and I figured they would have like niche stuff from like out of town that they would have had to, like buy on a whim. Got some Craftsman made in USA tin snips. Not bad. Some Weiss cutters too, some Weiss snips. The yellow handles. Not sure what that means. I'm sure they're pretty sharp. Let's see if there's a number on or a name on these. I'm not sure. Maybe Vaco. It has like a brand. Yeah, I think it's Vaco. Old school Vaco. 63A. I just saw the patent thing, so I figured it must be USA. I think that is Vaco. I was trying to figure what that was, but yeah. Another China screwdriver. Start getting some USA ones. Got a little Stanley. Phillips. Hard handle. Nice. Whoa. Globe Master. Japan. With the very long shank. I think it's bent. I think it's a little cockeyed. Yeah, this was a pry bar at one point. Bent at the tip a little bit. Still a cool find though. We got a Roscoe two-fister. Mechanics Unbreakable USA. Well, ain't that interesting, eh? So you're telling me I could put another hand on this? That's pretty niche. Anyone who wants to buy this, I'll throw this up on eBay or whatever. Pretty cool. Never seen some shit like that. Roscoe. Got a little China. Another box cutter. Got a Lutz USA. With the blade in it. Hell yeah. Got some very strange looking pliers with the little knuckle grips on them. No marking though, so could be an old USA pair. I don't know if anyone knows anything about these. Let me know. The little knuckle things. China screwdriver. Kind of cool looking, but throw it in the China pile. What the hell is this? This is a Oxwall USA. If I can get it to focus on it. Oxwall USA. Little flathead. Got a Excellent USA. Phillips number 3. Decent tip on it. You don't see that brand very often. Got a Craftsman, set of Craftsman vice grips with the reverse lock. For those who don't know, it's like you just pull on it, the opposite of vice grips. So yeah, you would push down on vice grips. These have the pull to release, so pull it on down. It's kind of cool, curved jaw pair. Don't see very often. How the teeth looking though? Oof. I mean, they'll still work. USA pair of locking pliers. What we got here? Some no names. Pair of welding pair. No lock, but it seems to be a very old pair of Peterson vice grips. The old patent looks like it's been hammered off of these from so long, but I mean, unless these are knockoffs, I would assume these are a very early pair of vice grips, pre-lock style vice grips. But yeah, I mean, that sure is a DeWitt, Nebraska stamp on it. Got a drywall cutter, no name. Always good to have. What kind of screwdrivers we got? Got a Stanley. If I could focus. Got a Stanley hard handle. Not bad. Hard handle, flathead, soft grip handle. I don't know why I said hard handle. It's got this soft grip over it. Man, I was kind of hoping all this stuff was Craftsman when I got it, but I mean, it's all Stanley. It looks super similar. Made in USA, Stanley. Maybe made in a very similar factory or something. USA, Stanley, flathead. USA, hard handle, Stanley. These are classic Stanley colors right here. Damn, this one will not focus for shit. Stanley. Another flathead. These people love their flatheads. Phillips. This one might be a Craftsman. WF. What? Got a Craftsman. Little tiny guy. What else we got? Stanley. USA. Flathead. These are some strange looking. Stanley USA. Some clear handles. This one's bent. Specialty driver right here. Slight bend in it. That's a priceless artifact right there. Almost have the whole set. I wonder what happened to the rest. Stanley. This one is not bent. Maybe that's why it's there. Because the other one's bent. That's funny. They're like, yeah, we bent one, so we got another one. And then we got a big boy, Stanley. Made in USA. Big old flathead. Man, these people must have been prying on some shit. Forged. Western Ford, another Craftsman? What? 2 Craftsman, bro. Job here is done. What the heck we got here? Believe this is an old Snap-on. Trying to get it to focus on it for you guys. Old strap-on. There we go. Snap-on hard handle, but it seems as if these people have modified the blade. So it's almost as if it's like a custom Snap-on scraper. Cool. That's probably the most expensive thing of the lot. Got some Taiwan wire strippers. No name. Got 2 USA pairs. I don't care for that. What is this? Big old rusty file. Perhaps made in USA. We shall see. We got ourselves a Simmons bastard file. Set it on these shit cutters. Painted over screwdriver. I mean, I would guess this is Craftsman based off of this square thing. I don't think Stanley did that. They just fucking painted on this shit like retards. Like retards. Got a little, I don't know what this brand is. A little Japanese, or yeah, Japanese pair of 6-inch slip joints. Excellent condition. Got a Craftsman double, whatever the hell they called these back in the day, double grips. Very nice. These are minty. Got the pointy A on this one, so I think it's an old pair. I don't know. Not 100% sure. Got another pair. Craftsman, pointy A, double grips, also mint condition. The slightly different stamp. Got a pair of Utica, USA, and these appear to be hose clamp pliers. Very nice condition. Utica diamond, whatever they call that stuff. What's this? Lexus, Japan. I believe these came in kits for, I don't know exactly what car, but it came in the kit for one of the Lexus. So these people must have owned like a LS 430 or something along those lines. But like never used Lexus pliers. I mean, I've never seen those. Got a little, let's see what this says. Ideal Industries, USA. Damn, nice. Ideal Industries. It's like right by the pin, but nice little spring-loaded strippers right there. Handheld, broken little screwdriver shit. Pair of vice grips. Painted on. Peterson DeWitt vice grips. Jaws aren't the greatest, but it sure is a pair of vice grips though. Can't complain with that. Got a pair of Craftsman. Craftsman USA. The vice grip contenders. Reverse locks. One more time, I'll show you guys. Reverse lock. So you pull up, release the plier. Almost to just the wrenches. Got another, whatever the hell this brand is. Slightly shinier pair of pliers. Got a Globemaster 7/16 India. Got a Bonney USA 9/16 Bonnaloy. Got a no name combo 14/17. I mean, there's probably a name on here. Just don't see it. It's nice and sturdy though. Be curious as to who made that. Challenger USA 3/4. Nice and sturdy wrench. True Craft Spain 9/16. They should say alloy. Blah 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 blah. Quality Steel Japan. Got a 1/2 inch and a 9/16. Got a Gador combo 10 box end and open. India. I thought Gador was made in fucking Germany, bro. Japan. Burnzomatic 9/16. Got a 3/4 and 11/16 Sears wrench. Cool. Power Master 9/16 combo. Japan. Great neck. 3/4 inch Spain. Great neck. Another Sears 5/8 19/32 USA. Boy, do I miss Sears. Quality Steel Japan combo. Durabuilt. China. Got a Fuller combo. 11/16 3/4. Japan. This one's pretty heavy for a non-USA built. Another Durabuilt. China. Couple good ones in there, eh? Where the fuck is this? I can't focus on it. Taiwan. All trade 5/8 boxing. Boom. Anything in this video that you saw that you're interested to purchase, I will sell. Let me know. Just a little overview of all this stuff again. And I'm out.